Download and use DeepSeek AI on mobile device. First of all you have to do is open the App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for the Android, and make sure you download the DeepSeek AI. Once you open the App Store, tap on the search address bar and type down DeepSeek AI and search for it. You will get to see some options available on your screen. All you have to do is look for the official app developed by DeepSeek or affiliated developer. Tap on it and tap on the Get or Cloud icon option available there, and authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID if asked. Once downloaded, open the DeepSeek AI on your mobile device. You will get to see Open button available there. Tap on the Open and open it to your device. Now follow the on-screen instructions. You will have to sign in or log in to your account. So I do not have any account available, so let me just sign up using my Google account. Tap on the Google option available there because it will be easier to access later as well. And let me just tap on my email address. And that is it. Now I have just been logged in to my DeepSeek AI account. Tap on the Start Now button available there and explore the features or AI tools in DeepSeek. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.